How you,
Queen, the
man?
girl.
How you?
What queen there? Put up a queen there, baby. Have a
You talking
little.
about my yeah, man? Take this thing for your mommy.
Look, a drama thing, man. Look, give me my queen, man.
Drama
Queen,
thing.
I'm saying.
Drama
Put
days.
up my queen
You know,
there.
God, me tell you that, you know.
I work with them, man. Look here. Look here now. I
Hey,
work
man,
with
say
them,
no.
man. I work.
Hey, man,
I
say no.
work with them, man. Look.
Hey,
I
man, say
work with
no.
them, man.
Correct, you mention, you hear? Yeah,
I
kind of joke, and a joke sitting.
Alright.
Put up queen there.
The man that run a wife joke. Wagwan.
No, no. All right. No, look, no, look, the wife shit there.
Them days they
But
cut out now, my father, yeah.
all right, no, man. All right with that, man. So, Queenie, what I
I me
want to
alone I run
say?
joke.
Queenie,
Yeah.
you remember me, though?
No, remind me.
All right, in a wood green Morrison, when I come in here and them pies, you remember them pies there with food?
Yeah, when me have a food poison, yeah.
Yes, them pies now, Queen. I'm a cuddly, I make you get better. I mean, make you get better cooking, man. I powers of God help me, get me get better cooking.
Amen.
So now that you
Yes,
come on the
man.
bomb, that you come on the bomb one talk. We
Yo,
are
do it,
talk
calm
about
yourself, man. Do
me,
it, do it. Calm yourself, do it, man. Come
me
on.
done blow. See me I can't see it calm. Me not trying to can on a wall. Me calm.
Do it. Calm yourself, do it. Hey, Queenie, you have bodyguard, and you have
Yeah.
husband bodyguard, you have everything running. You have a
Some
defender.
queen. Hello, Mash. Them in a
Yeah.
queen, man. Grand Uncle Dewey. Grand Uncle Dewey. Yeah, man. So you
Do
never
it,
on the
man.
work. How your name again?
Yeah. At wax.
At Bongo. Him not like no
Yeah,
other
man.
man give no title. Now, him no want no hopeless wife title. Cause I'm done make me a wife already. So
Ah, yeah, yeah.
anytime a man come with a wife argument, him not gonna have that.
Ah, you text for them something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, them days don't know my father. You know, cause me say I yesterday one of them come on the live too, you know, and the man know me sit down side I'm a wife, you know. And some of them feel like some gimmicks
Maybe you never know you see me your wife, man.
you get me? Some of them take the thing for gimmicks, my father. You catch where me I come from, I'm a top gimmicks now. Cause
You have
some
a
boy
whole
feel like
as a music.
some boy feel like a cartoon character around you, see, you see me? So he will go on cartoon days done play now. A real time me I deal with. Yeah.
Cartoon
Queenie,
done.
there's enough to worry. There's enough to worry himself, man.
Yeah, man, him
Nobody
Nah
not.
worry.
alright. Him not
My
worry. Him
father
just a set.
Yes, man, him a worry, man.
I one thing me grow and know, you know. You
Him
see,
a worry too much, man.
anything with a problem, you get it out of your sight and take it out of your mind, you know. That exists again, father. You hear that? So one thing me know problem, you hear me told you. See my dog when name problem, they are good and him just gone off my face. One thing them do with problem, you know that.
The man a talk up for him. Him nah, I don't got bit thing. I don't lie. I don't come run no wife door. Big up yourself, madam. I don't go and leave me alone. Yeah. Bless up, darling. Me soon see a wood green one day again.
All right, look after yourself. And tell do stop worry yourself, man.
Him
It's
not
an
worry.
area.
Him just a talk
Him
up
a
for him
worry, man.
wife. No, he's not worried.
Nah worry,
Yeah,
man.
It's
he
great.
said too much mimics for him married life. So I cut out the mimics. I don't worry, him I worry. He must set him foot down. Start putting foot down. It's not worrying. You have to set a aim and work towards it, don't?
That's too much. I think him a worry, man. Him a worry too much.
Him no need to worry. Him know him wife the
You
right
know
thing.
not tell me I worry after me tell him about this.
Yeah, you can
Father,
see, man.
watch out,
Well,
man, the two years, that make the grey hair, them in a me head fool, yeah, my God. I'm an image. You see me, I'm an image, me can't do nothing about it. Nah, I worry. See, like, yeah,
Just pick up yourself, madam.
all right, Queen. Pick up yourself, bro.
you know what time is it and I like when I know.
Yeah, man, don't worry, be happy, just set this thing straight. Yeah, cause so much on to take.
In half a mile, turn. In a quarter of a mile, turn left
It's
onto
a move.
Churchill Road.
One man to my goodie. That's a Dewey. Sunroof soon leak.
Well, good thing about it, it's not leaking now. So what you got to say?
Yeah, we're talking about now. We're not talking about soon. Soon may never come. No, I'm not like, I'm not half full door. Man, the outer me I want to put together, which one are we half full of? Half full more. Do we stop answer the waste people?
Morning, my love.
You have time for them, you know.
Hello, what, darling?
No,
Do it.
but they are laugh off. Do it more tasty. Sure, it can be.
How am I do? How am I going, Mom? Them a make me have
Queenie,
a
I
bad.
love you.
Them a make me have a bad year day, man, you know? Yeah.
Leave me alone.
I was
Me
trying to
Janine
call
cousin.
from. I were there.
Janine cousin.
Eh?
Me Janine cousin.
How
Eve.
name Janine again?
But they are England.
What, man? Lord God, your favorite little smile. What, pretty girl?
No, we were in Pennsylvania. I try to come out for the night shift.
Oh, you're in Pennsylvania?
That one nurse?
Yeah.
That one nurse?
Yes.
Big up your damn self, eh?
I
That
mean,
woman.
Yourself. I'm saying
Yeah,
put out
just
the...
do a 12-hour shift. Eh?
Yeah, clock in and clock out, mama.
Me clock out right now.
Like,
I'm going.
Def, what you mean? That is it. That's the order of the day, madam. Dearest.
I love the unity. When you big up on yourself, Queen.
Thank you,
Come
darling.
to England, me have to meet you.
All right, baby.
Mommy, where the bomb them live at talk about suck? He's a big woman. I mean, I tell you, come off. I would go on to you, woman.
What your mother right?
See that? Suck. Or that ill suck. What kind of suck this is that they on the live with lady? Go on here, work and stuff for like them. Sure.
Oh, they don't pay them no man. I never see say she did it.
So follow them up, man.
No,
Them
them
all
say
right.
I try to be young.
Me done. You know. And if you not too, me I go show now. Because I want to see you. I mean right now have style and pattern. So me I go show the style and me I go show the pattern. Because I'm young, fam. Me not calling and not all, man. I want to do.
Listen, I always tell Dewey say, yeah? You see me a cuss Dewey not answer that, but I cuss. Him not answer me now, I'm a cuss all 3 hours and him not answer. Yes, when him do them. Yes, when him do answer me, I